Enter the Node.js official website. Click Download in the navigation bar above to download the Node.js version we need. Click the selection box behind Get Node.js and select the version we need to download. Here we choose v18.20.8 LTS. We install it through the binary package. Below the instruction installation box, we select the Linux version. Because BL410 is the ARMxy version, we select the corresponding version and click Standalone Binary.xz to download the binary package. Use a USB flash drive to copy the installation package to the device. There is a script in BL410 that automatically mounts the USB flash drive. We use ls to view the installation package in the USB flash drive. Create a node folder in the root directory in advance, and use cp node v18.20.8 linux arm64.tar.xz/node/ to copy the Node.js installation package to the node folder. Enter tar xvjf node v18.20.8 linux arm64.tar.xz to decompress the installation package. The unzipped installation package will generate a node v18.20.8 linux arm64 folder in the /node folder. Enter cd node v18.20.8 linux arm64/bin to enter the bin folder. At this time, we can see 4 files, namely corpac node npm npx. We use ln-sf to create link files ln-sf/node/node v18.20.8 linux arm64/bin/node/user/bin/ and ln-sf/node/node v18.20.8 linux arm64/bin/npx/user/bin/ and ln-sf/node/node v18.20.8 linux arm64/bin/npx/user/bin/ Enter node v and npm v to verify whether the Node.js and npm package management tools are installed successfully. The version number indicates that the installation is complete. Open FUXA website. Click Download to jump to the download location, and click the Start FUXA repo button. To GitHub, scroll down to find Install from Source. Click Download the latest release. Find the latest version of FUXA download package and download it. Insert the USB drive and enter cp FUXA 1.2.5.tar.gz/FUXA/ to copy the FUXA installation package into the system. Enter tar-zxvf FUXA-1.2.5.tar.gz to decompress FUXA. Enter ls to see the decompressed files. Enter cd server to enter the server folder. Enter the vi package.json file and delete the .bc line. Enter :w to save the configuration. Enter npm install to reload the configuration, which will take a long time. Type npm install to start FUXA. Open the browser and enter the device IP plus 1881 port number, then press enter to access FUXA.